Oh, yesterday. Oh, Saturday, yes, yes. She came on Saturday, yes. You're not even ready, Mai. You made me come till here and you're not even ready.
I'm sorry, namang siya hingang tip ng phone ng AM. Then I'm glad put up this gonna be a look at our usage.
Look at this, so contrasting.
Nga isok yung tangal ako. Sofia,
Yoy.
isip mo tangal ako alay.
You even applied makeup.
I don't know.
I did not. I only did my skincare.
At least you did. You did.
Waiting for this girl. It's almost, I don't know, it's almost 11:30. Now, we're back. The squad is back. Hello. Hi. We reached the destination.
Look at the weather.
Oh, please don't rain. That's pretty. Finally reached the destination. At the golf site now. The weather is kind of gloomy.
It's
Just hope so it doesn't rain. The weather is already disappointing us.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know, we better find a place first.
It's a secret. Time me. Don't like it.
Ikila.
So cute.
It's better to walk. I know.
I mean jungi baru kalau dia like wawan tinggi jangan.
Kata-kata ko kalau aku jangan belangat dulu.
Oh,
Mga galit.